Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is second video of the HTML video series. I hope you have seen my first video about introduction to HTML, and if you have not seen that video, then go and check out that video. It is all about introduction to HTML. So let's start this video. So what will you learn in this video? So we are going to learn application of HTML, structure of HTML document, meaning of HTML tags, some basic tags of HTML, and first HTML program. So let's start it. So why should you learn HTML, or you can say application of HTML? With HTML you can create your own cool website. Knowing the HTML make it easier to learn other web languages like CSS, JavaScript, or other any languages. Using HTML you can create a web application. You can also create a game using HTML. Yes, you can create game also. So the structure of HTML. So the structure of HTML is look like this. HTML opening tag, this is opening tag, and this is closing tag. So HTML tag indicates that this web page is written in HTML. So that in the HTML second tag is head tag. So and this is opening head tag, this is closing head tag. Head tag contain information about the web. Okay, in the head tag, title tag. The title tag contains the web page title. Head tag is closing. In excluding the head tag, the body tag, body tag, this is closing body tag. Body tag contains the content of web pages. So okay, we will also see the complete meaning of this all tags, okay, as we go ahead in this video. So let's see the meaning. HTML tag tell the browser that this is an HTML document. Okay, HTML tag represent the root of an HTML document. This is all about HTML tag. Then after head tag, the head element is contained for all the head element. The head element can include a title for the document, scripts, styles, meta information, and many more things. The title tag. Title tag is required in all HTML documents, and it defines the title of the document. Title tag element define the title in browser toolbar. Provide a title for a page when it is added to favorite. Display a title for the page in search engine result. This is the title tag. The body tag. The body tag defines the document's body. The body element contains all the content of HTML documents such as text, hyperlink, image, table, list, and its. So what are the types of tags? There are two types of tags: paired tags, unpaired tags. Tags, paired tags in the tag, opening tag, and closing tags. In the unpaired tag, this is tag. No requirement of closing tags in unpaired tags. Okay. Editor. So editor, which type of editor you can use to write HTML code? So HTML programs file, first of all we have to see the HTML program files extension should be .html. When you save your HTML file, you have to must add extension as .html. HTML program can be written in any editor like Notepad, Notepad++, Edit+, Adobe Dreamweaver. But as you know, we are going to use Notepad for write a HTML code. Okay. So web browser. HTML can run on any web browser, like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Internet Explorer, Safari, Opera. Anyone you can use. So the basic tags. The H1 to H6 tags are used to define HTML heading. H1 define the most important heading. H6 define the least important heading. Okay, and the P tag. The P tag define a paragraph. These are the two basic tags which we are going to use in our first program. So let's see our first program. So let's get started. get started. So first of all, open your notepad. So here is my notepad. So as you know the structure, first of all HTML tag and the closing HTML tag. So always remember, do not forget the end tag, okay, which comes in a pair, opening tag or closing tag. In the HTML, all the other tag will be in HTML tag. So second one is head tag, closing head tag. In head tag we have to return H. Next one is title tag. This is closing title. We will give title to our first HTML program is welcome to my channel. Okay, this is title. Then after body tag, this one is closing body tag. Okay, so whatever you will write in your body tag, it will appear in your web pages. Okay, we will see in the output. So first one is h1 and closing h1 tag. So in the h1 we will write introduction to HTML. So first of all we copy it, we paste, six times. H2, H3, okay. Then after P and closing P tag, as you know P defines the paragraph. So let's write some paragraph. Let's write like my video, share my video, subscribe my channel. Okay, if you want to appear share my video in next line, then you have to add unpaid tag BR, which means break. So your share my video and subscribe my video appear in the next line. So now let's save this program. Control S. We have to give extension to our program is HTML. The name is first.html. So save it. Okay. Now open your browser and open your file. Control O. You can see the Chrome browser and the first HTML. So open it. So as you can, this is output of header 1 file, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6, and this is the paragraph. So it's all about our first program. So thank you for watching my video.